Hello friends, welcome to next lecture of the sequences. Now divergent sequence. First, diverge to plus infinity. A sequence Sn is set to diverge to plus infinity if for any given k is greater than 0, however large, there exists m belong to capital N such that Sn greater than k for every n belong to n is greater than equal m. If Sn diverges to infinity, we write Sn tend to infinity as n tend to infinity, or limit Sn n tend to infinity equal to plus infinity. Next, diverge to minus infinity. A sequence Sn is said to be diverge to minus infinity if for any given k less than 0, however small, if there exists m belong to capital N such that Sn less than k for every n is greater than equal m. If Sn diverge to minus infinity, we write Sn tends to minus infinity as n tend to infinity, or limit Sn n tend to infinity equal to minus infinity. For examples, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, and so on 3 power n. If limit n tend to infinity, 3 power n equal to 3 power infinity equal to plus infinity, diverge to plus infinity. And second examples, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and so on, minus 2 into n. It's diverge to minus infinity. If you put limit n tend to infinity, it's diverge to minus infinity. Next examples, next example, minus x power is 2, minus x power 3, and so on, minus x power n. X is greater than k, diverge to also minus infinity. If limit n tend to infinity, minus sequence minus x power n equal to minus x power infinity equal to minus infinity. Now next examples, n sequence n and n square it's also diverge to plus infinity, and second sequence minus n and minus n square diverge to minus infinity. Next examples and solution. So that the sequence log 1 by n diverge to minus infinity. Solution Sn equal to log 1 by n. Take any given less than 0, then Sn less than k if log 1 by n less than k. If minus log n less than k, if log n greater than minus k, that is if n greater than e power minus k. If we take m belong to capital N such that m is greater than e power minus k, then Sn less than k for every n is greater than equal m. Hence sequence Sn tend to minus infinity as n tend to infinity. Now next examples, prove that the sequence n power p where p greater than 0 diverge to infinity. Let Sn equal to n power p, then Sn greater than 0 for every n belong to capital N, and p greater than 0. Next, therefore, the sequence 1 by Sn equal to 1 by n power p exists, since we know 1 by n power p tend to 0 as n tend to infinity. Therefore, n power p sequence n power p tends to infinity as n tend to infinity. Hence, n power p diverges to plus infinity. So this is the proof all, and now we will read next topics of the sequence. So thank you.